What if I told you there's one free tool that can generate images, create videos, edit them, and even add captions automatically? No switching apps, no confusion, everything in one place. Sounds crazy, right? Let me show you. First, open a new tab and search for Google Vids. Click on the first link and sign in using your Gmail ID. Now, you'll land on this powerful AI tool. It lets you use VEO 3.1 for video generation. You can convert slides, record your screen, and even record yourself, all in one place. You can also upload your files here, and honestly, there's a lot to explore. But let's keep it simple and jump straight into the interface. On the top right, you'll see VEO. Below that, there's Avatar for premium users, then voiceover, image generation, recording, and captions, everything you need. Let's start by creating an image. Click on Image and a prompt box will appear. Choose your aspect ratio depending on your video. Now type a prompt for your character. I already have one ready, so I'll paste it in. Hit enter and boom. In just a few seconds, your AI-generated character is ready. Now click on the image, adjust it on your screen, and then hit Convert to Video. On the right side, a prompt box will open. Just type a simple line, click Generate, and wait a few seconds. And just like that, your video is ready. Click on it, hit Insert, and it will appear on your timeline. Let's play it.
Today, I have to be strong.
As you can see, the lip sync is spot on, and the video quality is amazing. And we literally just typed a simple sentence. Now, let's extend the video. Click on the plus icon to add a new scene. Just change the dialogue. No need for long prompts. Keep it simple. Click Generate. And your next scene is ready. Watch it again.
No food again? It's okay. You promised. No crying. Tomorrow will be better. I know it.
Perfect lip sync. Now click Insert and it automatically adds to the timeline. Between scenes, you'll notice a transition button. Click on it and you'll see multiple transition styles. Pick any you like. I'll go with Fade. Now let's preview it.
Today, I have to be strong. No food again? It's okay. You promised. No crying. Tomorrow will be better. I know it.
Smooth, right? Now for captions. On the right side, click on Captions. You'll see different styles. Choose your favorite. Click on it. Play the video.
Today, I have to be strong. No food again? It's okay. You promised. No crying. Tomorrow will be better. I know it.
And it will automatically generate captions for you. Super easy. Finally, once your video is complete, click on File and download it in MP4 format. And that's it. Your AI-generated video is ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.